Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will explore how to modify shapes within Google Slides. First, let's insert a shape. To reposition it, simply click and drag the object across your slide. To adjust the dimensions, grab any corner and pull until it reaches your desired size. You can also rotate the shape by using the rotation handle to tilt it to any angle you prefer. For more precise control, click the More icon and select Format Options. This opens a sidebar where you can manually input size and rotation values, change the angle, or flip the object entirely. Under the Position tab, you can align it to the top left or center, or set specific X and Y coordinates. Don't forget to explore the text fitting settings to customize how content sits within the shape. To add depth, enable the Drop Shadow. You can fine-tune the shadow's distance, angle, and transparency, and even pick a custom color. Additionally, you can apply a reflection and adjust its appearance right here. Finally, there is an option to include alt text for accessibility. That covers the basics of editing shapes in Google Slides. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.